the new unbelievable first blue whitening electric toothbrush, you guys, right here. You need to know this. You need this in your life. So in this video, I'm going to go over it because it has 4 different settings, 4 different amazing settings to get that nice white, bright teeth. Teeth whitening revolution, you guys. This is the one. Blue light whitening technology used in professional dental clinics. Now you can do it in your own home. The comfort of your own home. Only 2 charges. You charge it twice, y'all. It will last 180 days. So you only charge it twice. It has 4 amazing settings, you guys. Whitening modes. I mean, it has a timer on it. So it's like one that's like 2 minute. You could do a 3 minute and it's going to like show you upper, bottom, like on the actual toothbrush. Like this is the new like upgrade, you guys. This is it. This toothbrush, this electric toothbrush is the only one like this. Like you won't find nothing else like this that does all the things you need it to do that you would get in a dental office, but now you can have it in the comfort of your own home. Beautiful. This electric toothbrush has a soft mode too as well. Gentle cleaning for sensitive teeth and sensitive gums. So you have to try this. Amazing. Now, you guys, I haven't brushed my teeth. I'm going to brush my teeth to show you guys, like, it's already white because I've been using this. Like you can tell, I've been using this, like for real. I had to use it first before I reveal it to you guys because I wanted to make for sure, you know, because here on my channel, I make for sure things actually work and they do what they say they do. And this does what it says it does. Like for real, it is actually worth the $199, but it might go higher. This is the New Year price right now. So you better get it quick before it sells out. It comes with this little chart with the 12 different shades, you know, so how your teeth are going to improve and be whitened after every brush over the 2 weeks period of time. And they're going to be white like mine. And they're going to be even whiter after I brush it with you guys on the video to show you how this really works. So it comes with everything you see here. The toothbrush, of course, the amazing toothpaste. It comes with the toothpaste as well. That's going to enhance your teeth to be more white. Very light, easy to use, waterproof. Okay, this electric toothbrush, you guys, is from that company right there, if I haven't told you already, and has a 1-year warranty. Like, who's going to give you a 1-year warranty? Like, it's a win-win here. Because when you go to the dentist and get your teeth cleaned, you know, you're going to be paying maybe $50, $70, $100. It matters where you're at. And so you might as well invest the money and your time just to do it at home with this amazing toothbrush, period. Like, I don't know what else to say, but I have to show you because you guys are hearing me talk and really push this toothbrush out there and really like promote it and, you know, really push it to y'all. I just got to, you know, be quiet and just show you, right? Just show you. Like, you already see my teeth right now. Wait to when you see them with this. But I already been using this, but then it already takes it to the next level after using it again and again and again. Like, now, keep in mind, I do drink tea every day. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I love my tea. I love my tea. Yes, I do. I drink a chamomile green tea, and I make it a big-ass cup every morning tea. So, and I love red wine. So that can, like, change the color of your teeth over time, you know? Definitely coffee, but I don't do coffee, but I do those too. Just to give you guys a heads up of like where I'm coming from of showing these teeth like this. Now, this has a smart screen. This long button right here is to actually turn it on. Just go hold that down. It's on, y'all. It's ready. It's blue. What? Let's go. All right. Again, remember, 4 modes. This is the smaller button right here. It's going to change. It's going to be a screen right in here. You can't Probably can't see it. Let me see. Let's see. There you go. You can see it now. Do you see it right there? Okay, okay. You see right here, y'all? That is the whitening screen mode. So that's going to take, that's how you're going to change it for different levels. It'll show you what level you're on. So we're just going to touch this bottom one. We're on a stronger, harder vibration. They were at the strongest. Like that mess is like really strong. We're going to take it down a notch. This is the softer mode. So those are the 4 modes. On top of that, it's actually going to time it. It'll do like, you could do a 2-minute, 3-minute. It'll tell you if you're on the top or the bottom too after the brushing. And it's quiet and it's lightweight. Okay, there it goes. That's what I wanted to show you. So there it goes, you guys. See right there, 32% upper. It's already like showing you what you did. And it was saying I was going on the fast mode. And they're gonna do deep and you can do soft. And that white, that blue light. All right, so I did talk about the battery. The battery can last up to 180 days. So that means you're only charging it 2 times for a whole year. We're having a promotional sale right now for $199. It might go a little bit higher, so get it now while you can. Oh, this has passed the safety test from the third party. So it's totally safe. It won't do no damage to your teeth. That's what they are guaranteeing. Sorry for the barking. My dogs are barking at a cat. But anyway, no damage using this. It won't do no damage to your gums or your teeth. The third party, like 100% guarantees that. So this is safe to use on the teeth. We don't know what else health issues it can do, but it won't do nothing to those teeth. All right, y'all, let's get to brushing these teeth. Now that's white. You can't tell me my teeth are not white. Tell you the truth, now I actually enjoy brushing my teeth. That woke me up. Ah, beautiful teeth, y'all. I gotta wash my face and I gotta go to bed. My teeth are brushed now. I feel really great, amazing. And now I could just smile all day long with these white teeth. So make for sure you guys check down below all the links of the toothbrushes down there. They have other things on there. If you do if you do flossing, they have something for everything. So just check it out, if you want white teeth. And I will see you guys next time. Please leave comments down below. I hope I was really thorough. I was really showing you close up in my mouth. Yes, I do have some fillers in there, but it was way before I found this beautiful thing, because this is new, y'all. This is brand new. I needed this in my life like 5 years ago, and I would never had like all these other teeth issues. But now that I have this, I could keep the teeth I have in my mouth and keep them staying white and clean and right. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Subscribe to my channel right there, and I'll see you guys on the next review. Check that one out right there.